So, how do we design APIs for AI agents and why do we even need to do that? So, Postman published the State of the API report by surveying 5,700 developers, architects, and executives across the globe. And the headline was APIs are no longer powering applications, they are powering agents, which means AI is now the new consumer of the APIs. What does it mean for us? Traditionally, we have always designed APIs by thinking of some human is at the other end, like there is a dashboard at the other end, or maybe a UI element. But some human developer has always been there in the mind for all the decades that we have been writing APIs for. So if there is some kind of a thing which is not going right, the human would maybe clarify it over a Slack message or a Teams message. They will try to verify, they'll think about it. But for AI agents, that does not happen. Whatever they're consuming to derive meaning out of it and think accordingly. So if you are not supplying the right context, the right semantics, or the right meaning, it is going to go haywire. They don't care about the status code that you're passing. They don't care about the long list of records, the JSON, the error codes. They need meaning. They need semantics. And if you don't supply that, every response that you're giving out of an API, they need to understand what this ultimately means, not just what it does. So there's a significant mindset shift that you need to bridge this AI and the API gap. What is this gap? 89% of the developers are using AI in their day-to-day life. However, 24% of them are only designing them by keeping AI agents in mind. If you are an API developer or designer trying to modernize your APIs or trying to retrofit that with the AI native use cases, the million-dollar question is, what do you need to do differently this time? Before I answer that, let me talk about a blog which I read, very interesting, The Anatomy of a Million Token Mistake. The blog says that the AI coding agent was exposed to console logs of some web crawlers which were continuously emitting 403s. Web crawlers getting 403s is completely normal, websites block them, but what the AI agent did differently is that it consumed the console logs output, it found the 403s and assumed something is wrong, although the code was healthy, and it tried to fix an already running healthy code. And while doing that, it kept on looping and burned 1 million tokens. This is a real case study which has happened. There was no system classification. There was no metadata at the API surface level which was telling this was expected error codes. It just assumed that this is not right and tried to fix something which is already working and up and running. Another blog I read from the Red Hat that around the 43 duplicate tickets was being created because a lack of an idempotency key. It kept on retrying the service. So the API timed out. There was a network timeout. And on the server side, things were okay, but there was no idempotency key which was returned by the API. So the agent kept on retrying, and in return, it ended up creating duplicate service tickets. Now, all of this impacts your business revenue, it impacts your customer experience, and so many things in many different ways. And while all of this happens, if a human would have been on the other end, there would have been questions trying to infer the intent, thinking about what is going wrong. But for agent, that kind of thinking without sufficient context or semantics does not really happen. I have come up with a framework which is like 4 pillars. Number 1 is be discoverable, in which you tell the agent what it is looking at before it acts. Number 2, be legible, where you supply your added context, semantics, proof, so that the agent doesn't end up doing some sort of a guesswork. Number 3, be predictable. So I am building a framework around this with 4 pillars: be discoverable, be legible, be predictable, and be protective. So I'm doing a full deep dive with all these 4 pillars, connecting the dots between the architecture, the code decisions, the patterns that you need to keep in mind. Because if you are designing APIs today and if you are not keeping the new consumer in mind, what can happen is what I've already mentioned. So I'm doing a full deep dive on this at API Days Bangalore on 20th August. So if you're around, come say hi and do attend the session. It's scheduled at 3 p.m. The details, I'm going to link it down. If you are not planning to attend, if you're not in Bangalore, then do subscribe to my channel. I'll keep on posting here about how we can solve this problem on designing APIs differently for AI agents. Thank you so much for watching.